Your guide to emergency flood repair. Dealing with the aftermath of a flood, welcome to your trusted sources for valuable insight into disasters in recovery. In this essential video, we're diving deep into the world of emergency flood repair. If your home has been impacted by flooding, we're here to guide you through the steps to restoring safety and peace. Let's navigate this troubled waters together. Facing the aftermath of a flood can be overwhelming, but you are not alone. Join as we explore the critical process of emergencies, flood repairing, from water damage restoring to ensuring your space safe and habitable. This video is your beacon of hope. Navigation the immediate action required after a flood. Well, discuss how to assess the damage, prioritized safety, and begin the process of removing standing water from your home. These initial steps are critical to preventing future deterioration. Discover the potential consequence of flood damage if it left untreated, from mold growth to structural issues. Will shed light on the long-term term impact of neglecting flood repairs. Learn how active promptly can save you from costly repairs down the line. Unveil the secret of finding reputable professionals for emergency flood repair. Will guide you through the process of selecting experienced contractual how can assess the damage accurately and execute effective restoring strategies. Learn about the stage of flood damage restoration, from drying out your home to sanitizing and repairing affected area. Well, you will take you through the step-by-step processes of restoring your living space in its pre-flood conditional. Because part our community of homeowners how are determined to rebuild. Hit that like button if you are ready to face the challenging of flood recovery head on. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical disaster recovery advice, from safety tips and restoration insight. Whether you are dealing with the burst pipe or natural disasters or any other case of flooding, understanding emergency flood repair is critical. By the end of this video, you will have the knowledge to take action safely and effectively, ensuring your home is safe even once more.